Core Restore Workout E. For this workout, we're going to need a 5 to 10 pound dumbbell. All right, each exercise is going to be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest and transition, and then we're going to move immediately to the next exercise. Once again, today's workout is 12 minutes in total, so you move right from one exercise to the next, repeating back to back, through the sequence of 3 for a period of 12 minutes. All right, now for our first exercise, we're going to introduce sort of a new position into the equation, which is side plank. All right, this is probably something that's familiar to you. I'm going to show you a couple ways to make it really hard. I'm going to show you a couple ways to make it much easier. Now, the key with this one is that when I come into side plank position, my elbow is in line with my shoulder. Oftentimes what I see, people do side planks like this, people do side planks like this. Okay, and what that does is it puts the shoulder to a disadvantaged position. All right, we're trying to focus more on the core here. So what I'm thinking about doing, I'm opening my hand up, I'm digging my hand into the ground, okay, and I'm pulling my elbow this way just to dig in and create tension. So before I ever do anything, I'm doing this, and I should feel this in my core, okay? Because what will tend to happen quickly is if you don't do that, you're going to start feeling your shoulder, which is not what we want. So I'm going to come into this position. Now, I'm going to show you 3 levels of what I call our side plank pulse. Our first level, we're going to come into side plank. And with side plank, the key is I want to extend my hips forward. I don't want to be kind of rotated back this way. I want to be here. I'm going to start down here. I'm going to pulse up and come down. So I'm going to take a deep breath in at the bottom. I'm going to pulse up. And then I'm going to blow out slow. As I'm coming down, I'm thinking about really pulling back, tensing my abs. The lowering part is the most important part. So once again, pulse up, blow out, and come down. Now, if that's fairly easy, what I can do is I can come up. I can either straighten my legs out, which would be one way to make it harder. One more time. Or I'm going to switch to the other side here so I don't look like Popeye. I can take my dumbbell and I can put it on my side to provide some additional resistance. All right, so deep breath in. One more time, deep breath in. If you're feeling really beast mode, you can certainly do both. I like to stack my front leg in front just to give me a little bit more resistance. Deep breath in. Pulse up and come down, deep breath in. Pulse up and come down. Once again, that's 45 seconds. It's a long time for side plank. Feel free to come down and rest as necessary. But immediately when you get done, you're going to switch to the other side, and that's our side plank pulse. All right, now for our last exercise, and again, the side plank pulse is going to be one side, followed immediately by the other side, so we don't need to repeat that explanation in the video, is going to be a dead bug leg circle. Okay, so actually I don't need a ball, I need a dumbbell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be holding the dumbbell behind my head. Okay, that's going to provide me a little bit of stability. I'm going to start with my legs up and together, and my head can be down for this one. And what I'm doing is I'm just drawing a big circle while squeezing my dumbbell, coming down, pressing together. I take another deep breath in, I blow out, I come back up, press together. So basically, as we press together the bottom and the top, we take a deep breath in, draw a large circle, come together, press the bottom, deep breath in, draw a large circle, come together, press the top, squeeze. Now to make this easier, we can certainly bring our feet together. Same rules apply. Blow out to about a 4 count, come together. But again, just pick the level that works for you. For the dumbbell, I would hold it more probably above your head. You don't want to hold it too far behind you because you don't want to fatigue your shoulders after you've been doing the side planks. But again, that is our dead bug leg circle. 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. Let me know how it goes today.